I love being healthy. I love exercising. I love cooking healthy, and I love eating healthy. I wish someone would have told me when I was in my 20s, 30s, and 40s how important adding collagen to your regimen every day, how important that was. And I really didn't focus on, like my skin, my hair, my joints until I was in my 50s. And it's never too late. I love adding collagen. I just put a scoop in my coffee. I use a spoon, I stir it, you can froth it, you can add it in water. There is no taste, it's clear. And it is extremely important as we get older to help maintain our hair, our skin, our joints. We want to keep moving. We want to have the best quality of life as we get older. And this can help do that. So if you are not supplementing, especially as you age, or maybe you're in your 20s and 30s, start doing it. Don't be like me and wait till you're 50, because sometimes, the age process has already started to happen, and then you wake up and you're like, oh my, what just happened? So I'm gonna put this in my cart below if you wanna grab it. It's a great supplement. Again, it's clear, no taste. You just add a scoop and you are ready to go.